In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use Wix Owner app. This app is designed to help you manage your Wix website from your phone, so you can handle important business tasks even when you are away from your computer. We will walk through the main areas of the app, including signing in, choosing the website you want to manage, using the bottom navigation menu, adding new content, checking messages, and updating your business settings. Start by opening the Wix Owner app on your mobile device. Once the app loads, you will be asked to sign in using your Wix account credentials. Enter the login details connected to your Wix account and make sure you are using the correct account for the website you want to manage. If you manage more than one Wix site, signing in with the right account is important because it determines which websites and business tools you will be able to access. After you sign in, the app will bring you to your dashboard. This is where you can see the websites connected to your Wix account. Take a moment to look through the available sites, then select the specific website you wish to manage. This step matters because any changes you make inside the app will apply to the website you have selected. If you have multiple websites, always double-check that you are working on the correct one before updating products, services, messages, or business information. Once your website is selected, you will be taken into the main management area for that site. At the bottom of the screen, you should see a navigation menu. This bottom menu is one of the main ways to move around the Wix Owner app. It gives you quick access to important business tools, such as Manage Store, Bookings, or Analytics, depending on what features are active on your website. For example, if you run an online store, you can use Manage Store to view and manage store-related tasks. If your business takes appointments, the Bookings area can help you manage scheduled services. Analytics can help you review performance information and understand how your site or business activity is doing. Now that you know where the main tools are, look for the plus icon in the app. The plus icon is used as a quick action button, and it helps you add new content without needing to search through several menus. Tap the plus icon when you want to create something new, such as a blog post, a product, or a service. The exact options you see may depend on the features available on your selected website. This shortcut is useful because it helps you keep your website active and up to date directly from your mobile device. Next, use the Inbox tab to communicate with your site visitors or customers. The inbox is where messages from your website can appear, allowing you to respond directly through the app. This is especially helpful if customers are asking questions about products, bookings, services, or general business details. Keeping an eye on your inbox can help you reply faster and maintain better communication with people who are interested in your business. Finally, go to Settings when you need to update your business information. This area is where you can manage important details connected to your site and business profile. Review the available settings carefully and update the information as needed. Keeping your business information accurate helps make sure visitors and customers see the correct details when they interact with your website. That covers everything you need to know to get started with the Wix Owner app. You can sign in, choose the website you want to manage, use the bottom navigation menu, add new content with the plus icon, communicate through the inbox, and update your business information in settings. And that is all there is to it.